Hi, so this is how I spend. It's so beautiful. I'm so privileged to stand here. We call it as Penakhongba. Penakhongba, it is on the western side of the Kapaam village, or Kapaam village on the eastern side. Here we believe that in the olden time, one Manipuri king, I forgot his name, but later I'll be mentioning his name on the subtitle. This king was bringing all his troops like horses and his armies, and they had a drink over here in the stream between two hills. There is small stream brook there. They stopped there and quenched the thirst of their horses and even drank water. That brook is still watery here. I'll be showing the video as a photo later down here. It's so beautiful. I'll be showing you the 36-degree video clip later, and enjoy well. Stay tuned. Now, as I stand here on the top of the Penakhongba, I'll be showing you my village. This is my village, Komatabi Kapaam village, consisting of many communities like Moyon, Monsang, Tarau, Chote, Lamkang. And this road passage leads to Chandel National Highway. On my right side it leads to Chandel National Highway. On the left side it leads to Palel Taubal district. And on the top you must be seeing the road on the slope of the hill, that is More Highway. So we are 4 or 5 communities staying together at the bottom of the hill like a vessel, and we occasionally come to this hill for our daily purposes to collect firewood and vegetable wild ones. It's so beautiful. Have a look around. All the women folk of my villagers are enjoying taking photos, searching wild vegetable growing on the field, on the hill. Actually, this is a thatched place where in the olden time when we haven't used sheet, we often cut the grasses and put as a thatch. So this is one of the wild herbs available in the top of the hill, especially around this area. It is not available in the plain Kapaam. This has a unique chemical contents which is very important for a medicine, which was used as a medicine purposes in the olden time. The extraordinary thing is this is blooming only after 6 years. So this year, that is 2020, it was blooming in the January month, but now they are all dried up. It will bloom only again after 6 years. That is, probably it will bloom by 2026. This is the, which we call in my dialect as Kumruk Par, means blooming after 6 years. It's very beautiful. Everyone is busy taking pictures. Few women folks bring their Moyon Mekhala, trying to have a photo shoot at the top of the hill. Let's have a glimpse. Come on, come with me. Wow, even makeups.